Lovely greetings, welcome to the show. Wherever you're catching us live, being a Virgin Monday, you know, always the sourceful entertainment show, leveling up your sitting moods. When now just is the Kuberango Lovely Live, different from usual. Nako, ladies and gentlemen, down side zeno machindi muchizungu. Sibanya wabazungu webaso kubere no, but still, ndiwa no ku Blue Sky, and it's happening to be a first of a kind debut. He is from Gosple. This time round is in love. That is a gentleman, our very own brother, none other than Josh Media. It happens to be his video shoot on Dalude. And of course, I came through to support a brother and of course take a look what is happening on Nakorwale. I can't wait to share. Josh Media, bane kusaba katono chili chitia anko.
Okay, wagwan.
Bana chikumanga cha tabu.
Ati mukama akola.
Mukama akola. Josh Media, by the way, on a serious note, yeah, from gospel, yeah. Now love. Abasinga bagena bachivumirira. I was one time in a church of guy Nangamba. I think we are even together. Mugamba, mfunie ngoma ya Jewish shock reading. Nagamba, no. That is a club, that is a secular music. We don't do it. How are you going to deal with this? Because in Subira, love side it doesn't work like this.
You know, just that I want to watch together. It's just a matter of explaining love and gospel. Who created love?
God.
Then what are you talking about?
So, like, what inspired, like, Nogama, let me just twist in a little bit. Nogama crossing again, no, because Nedi Jebiri. Not just that your motor took a son, Mukwano, the Mukwano, bro. To run his homosexuality. You know, people watching us there, we are fighting the rainbow, man. We are fighting the rainbow. To run his okay.
Okay. So it's not tewali njawulo ya amanyi kubanga eranze ndi musajja muki mulokole but ndi mukwano I'm expressing love and God created love ate Yesu kwe kwagala. God is love.
Okay.
Ostegera. Osoma komo songs of songs.
Songs of songs. Bible njibikula lumonalo.
Ojela bantu omukwano Katonda yagutonda. Alo segera ate fenna tuli result ya mukwano sicho.
We are products of love.
Ostegera. Kati checho tewali nnyo, you know, like janjawulo.
Okay, Josh, like you are one of those fresh artists abaka jamu industry, not so long, but you are doing an impact. I see you gospel, but you are navigating somehow good. How is the industry so far, like receiving you?
So far the industry is so good. People watching us are good consumers of the music. So this is my third song. So to appreciate and receive this song. It's a nice vibe just to get
Let's talk about this song particularly.
Nexus.
Okay.
Nexus.
Okay.
Nexus on the beats.
Nexus on the beats.
Nexus bless this beat.
Nexus bless is also from a gospel world.
A producer. Producer omanyi
kati when they were producing like basically our gospel.
Sibamanyi.
Okay.
Sibamanyi just nti, you know, this thing is all music. Producer akoleri yakola ne wano. Kiringa nti omulokola alaba omupiira, omusiraamu agulaba omupiira era okitegera. So it's the same thing, just kunyonyola abantu ne bategeera nti omukwano kintu kya bulijjo. Sigera newe kwekamu era toguyina era oddayo mu kisenge oli mukwano.
N'obukuta.
So it is, you know, something, you know, usual and you know, the same.
Okay, who is under the videography side?
Videography side, you know, Kabaka Mo Films director Nako Moze.
Okay. All right, I wish you all the best, and we're going to be taking a look as we get down to this.
Thank you so much. Keep tuned on BTM TV.
Yes, down in Chizungo Nako right to Blue Sky, ladies and gentlemen. Hilltop view, of course, you get to see the whole Kampala. Lovely live, ladies and gentlemen. Level up, we are still down here. Don't get twisted live.